Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel, Fence Forest. We've got a kind of a weekend DIY project, I guess. We got rained out of the velvet hunt, so we decided we were gonna come back and kind of do our own take of the G2 Outdoors video that came out about a month ago. I saw Greg do of a truck bed frame build. So we got 4x4 legs, some 2x4 pieces, and one big sheet of plywood, and I hope that this is as easy as he made it look. We're about to find out. Just beat it in with a hammer. Where's the hammer? We're not off to a great start. Also not a good start. Nails. Many moons later, first piece, this is for the wheel well. It's gonna go in between this. That's all right. Number one. Also, pretty sure these are my great-grandfather's probably 60, 70-year-old nails. At least. They're old. Okay, they're probably not that old, but they are old. Just gonna take the plywood, slide it in there, nail it down. Should be good to go. It's off close, but it closes. Ah, dadgummit! Shoot. Oh, sorry. Gave you a shot of my best side there. Alright, one side's down. We're just going to slide this other piece, make it even. Yeah, we'll be a lot closer. All right, so there you have it. I'll pull it in here a little bit closer. I mean, this is about as simple as you can get. I mean, the G2 guys had said it's the simplest idea they've got on YouTube. The only thing that I added is I added these 2x4s on the bottom just for a little extra support, and I made those legs 4x4s just because I had a 4x4 piece laying around. So it's sturdy as heck. That's about an inch thick piece of plywood. I don't remember exactly what it was. But the other thing that I'm going to end up doing, I just don't have the plywood now. Actually, I have a cut piece I can show you. So I'll end up taking measurements from leg to leg and put another piece of plywood on the ground. This is what I saw in that other video, is a plywood that runs all the way underneath you can store things on, and then when you want to access it, you just grab a rope on the end of that plywood, pull it out, slide it out, your totes or whatever else are sitting on it will slide out, and I can stick probably the camera tripod that the camera's on right now underneath the end of this and turn it into a table. So that's the end plan. I'll post some pictures to the Instagram page when it gets done, but all in all, and if you have any sort of carpentry skills at all, or a bit more practice than myself, that'll take you about a third of the amount of time. The screws were just too long and they were wanting to break or not sink all the way in. So we just took my great-grandfather's leftover nails and nailed those suckers in. The only thing that I might change, and I doubt that I'll do this, is if I took, where are we at here? If I took about 2 inches off the edge right there, shadow out of the way. If I took about 2 inches off the edge, I could slide it 3 or 4 more inches against the wall, because that wheel well is going to fit between that 2 pieces of the frame down there, and then it might give me a little bit more room along this edge. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. We'll figure out what kind of mattress we're going to throw on top of it, and we'll be good to go. Deer season, fishing trips, and I'm just wanting to sleep at the ramp or sleep at a campground, save some money, which I'm always trying to do. That'll work. All right, appreciate you watching. Guys, I hope you're as excited for me, the fact that deer season is right upon us. It'll be here before we know it. Be safe, good luck. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like the video.